I've always heard about Pattaya's crazy nightlife and walking street, which is the equivalent of Amsterdam's red light district. So when I visited Bangkok, I drove about 2 hours or so to Pattaya to spend the night here, and I stayed in this hotel. I arrived here at about 10-ish. I was so tired, but still gave it a crack. This is the beach road of Pattaya. There are lots of hotels here in this road, and also lots of good restaurants and pubs. I had me some chicken wings with some spicy seafood pasta, and I had some cocktails to go with it. It was midnight here, and on the beach there were lots of people on the water, in the boats and on the shore, people holding booze with joints and just enjoying life. As I approached the walking street, I could already feel the frenzy from afar. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the sights and the sounds.